Welcome to the class style from my house to yours. I'm so happy to be in your company once again. Guys, today I'm sharing with you some transformation of this fish plate that I had gotten and also some mats. Today I'm using several different colors of the paint and I really love the look of this paint, and when it goes on quite smoothly. If you hear me sounding kind of nasal, I have the flu and it is the most irritating flu ever. Now this is quite a heavy fish plate and I took it outside to get it sprayed. I could not I did not like the print on it, but I got it as a steal of a deal. This is very heavy and I paid $10 for this plate. So I opted to change the color and this is the color I chose. I really love this color. This is one of my favorite colors that I like using in my home. So I'm going to let this sit and get it dried. I did go in with 2 coats of the paint. These are the other paints that I have, and these mats I got, I think I got the 4 of them for $15. Actually, one of these here in Trinidad is like $20 to $25 now, so that was also a steal of a deal. And these plates I got 5 for $20, which also was a steal of a deal because they also cost like the same $20 to $25 range. So I wanted to do a reversible mat and I sprayed this one black on one side. I was thinking to leave the blue, but I decided that I'm going to change that. I'm going to be putting on the other side it's kind of like a charcoal, or it comes off like a charcoal color. So I did spray these in the same color that I did the fish plate, and I really love how they are looking. They are looking so gorgeous. And guys, this is a thrift flip road trip. Now this is a thrift flip challenge that crafting cousins have so successfully managed to have over and over again. And their co-host for this challenge is Sammy from Unicorn Dust Designs. So remember, do check out in the description box for all the information. So this is how the fish plate turned out, and the painting went on smoothly. Now, because we're dealing with food stuff, I am not going to rest food stuff on the paint. I am going to put something first before I do my servings. So I'm actually baking right now, and I just rest some bread rolls that I'm going to be serving later on. The sweet bread is still in the oven and I wanted to finish this video, so I could not display it here. But like you see, I have put a napkin on top of the tray because I would not be resting foodstuff directly onto the painted tray. So I'm just sharing with you how I set up for my dinner later on. I just added this lovely tablecloth. I got it from a auntie of my husband's, a lovely lady, and I'm just adding the mats, and look how lovely the color turned out, guys. And really and truly, the color now can go with most anything. Well, anything. So this is a napkin ring holder that I made, and some buttons from a top of mine, and those rings are from a curtain, the curtain rings. And so you can do anything with things that you have around the house. This is a coaster made out of crochet that my niece did, and these are just some plates that I'm going to be resting on top. And I love, adding different color elements to the piece. As you notice, the table runner is a gray tone and it has little white streaks in it. This is another DIY that I did. You can check out the video for that. And all my colors, they play into one another. These are some battery operated lights. They are blue and it gives off a lovely effect. Just adding some of all these are DIY, guys, that I have done in the past, and I just reuse them at intervals. Just have them stacked away, and then I'm going to pull them out and use them for a particular occasion. I have my water goblets. Now, these colors, they all play into one another. It sets a tone, it sets a mood, and I just love introducing colors to my pieces, and that's why I opt to always either spray or paint on surfaces to change the look of them. I'm so happy that you joined me, guys. Thanks for the crafting cousins for this challenge, and check out in the description box for all the information provided, and I'll catch you later. Bye, guys.